Hello, hello. What a wonderful Sunday. Ayan. Welcome back, Philippines. Hello, Philippines. And hello, world. Ayan ang ating peg ngayon. Back here. So last Sunday, we had a wonderful, wonderful ministry outside Philippines, and we went to our VFC church in KK, Malaysia. Ayan. Thank you so much to our dear pastors there who hosted us and allow us to share their pulpit, and also able for us also to experience a different ministry outside Philippines. Ayan, kaya po I'm so happy. Ayan, we're back. Ayan, Gupit coming from Malaysia. Okay. So alam niyo po, indeed, it is always wonderful, no, to see different textures, ethnic worships. Every one of us, when we go to different nations, different ethnic groups, different language, ano talaga merong ibang spiritual dynamics that we experience. And sometimes we thought na, wow, this is how they worship. So this is one way of allowing us to understand yung sa revelation where all language, where all different people are worshiping our God. Amen. So whatever nations you have, when you encounter and have a relationship with the Lord, you will always desire to worship Him. At ang worship natin, nakakatuwa, yun nga po, no, pagka expose ka sa different nations, iba-iba yung our ways in worshiping Him. But sabi natin, even our ways are different, but our spirit is the same. And that spirit is yung spirit of worshiping God. Grabe, no? So, kaya po, yung spiritual dynamics, sabi nga natin, you are not home, but you feel home. Yun, kasi you are in your family of faith. So that's why, it is always a reminder for us that every Sunday, we should always long to experience yung power ng worship and being part of the family of God. So every Sunday, don't miss church. Sabi ko nga po sa atin, it is, it is, must be part of our lives. Okay, at sabi ko nga po, no, although we have many online worship, ganyan, kung wala ka lang options, okay? Pero iba pa rin yung nandun ka in a physical community of faith. So, try to have it, okay? Because we are created to have fellowship, talk to people, and and experience yung atmosphere ng community, at napakaganda po nun. And also, that's why we are so blessed. And of course, we miss our churches here, yay, yay. But we came back with a great vision, for the church, and seeing na there is greater things na gagawin si God in our ministry in this year 2025. Ayan. So to every one of us who is here today, never stop exploring ourselves to different, sabi nga natin, places, and let when we go to different places, always remember to see God in that places, and to see who He is and how He moves in that places, how we will grow. Kaya totoo po we grow when we learn na God ang kanyang salvation transcends every nations, every language, and every people, no? And every ethnical people. So walang walang ito para sa dito lang. So salvation is for all. The gospel is for everyone. And we should share the gospel to all. Wow. Amen. So let's continue our mission. Amen. Have a mission to always worship God, make a difference, whatever field you are, kahit nandun sa workplace mo, you are in your businesses and all, whatever business you have, always remember yung core values at yung core stand in the word, and in your faith, never turned us back, no. Kaya nga naniniwala ako, yung isasabi ng Bible that the calling of the Lord is irrevocable kasi whatever fields you have, mag-a-appear yung calling na yan. At when that appears, just obey and be on a mission. Yan. Kasi isa yun sa aking, shinare doon sa Malaysia, no? Run the race on a mission. Amen. Every one of us is on a mission, whether we like it or not. Totoo po yan. Kahit ano man ang gawin natin, but once we come to know the Lord and gave our life to God, we are on a mission. So, yan. So, hindi yan pang full-time. Pang full-time lang, for pastors only. No, everyone. Amen. As we obey, as we continue to walk in Him and to walk into the light of the gospel, you are already fulfilling the mission of God. Amen. So, and I believe darkness will be attracted and the light will come. Amen. So again, God bless you everyone. Have a wonderful worship to all of you. Run the race. Amen. With good faith, and always remember that every one of us has a mission. So let's fulfill that calling of mission. Amen. God bless you, everyone, and have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday. Bye bye.